Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these mini Christmas cookies using polymer clay. First, I'm going to start off with a bright yellow and a beige to make my cookie dough color. And I'm going to go ahead and knead it until I get the perfect color that I want. And then I'm going to take a marker and I'm going to roll it out. And I'm actually going to use the top of the marker to make my little cookie circles. And I'm going to be making 4 different types of cookies. And right now I'm taking a sponge so I can get the texture. I use a toothbrush, but I don't know where it went to. And then I went ahead and I shaded it with this medium yellow color, which pastel. So now I'm going on with the icing of the cookie. And right now I am painting it white. And this one is going to be green. And the next one is going to be brown, and then the very next cookie is going to be blue, and I want a light shade of blue, and the reason for that is you will see in a minute, but right now I'm actually making some pretzels because these are going to be the antlers for the green one, and I'm going to add a lighter brown shade to make it look like it's a caramel on the antlers, and for the blue one it's going to end up being a snowflake. So now I'm going to go ahead and decorate it after I already pre-baked it, and for the reindeer I added 2 white dots and a red dot for the nose, and for the snowflake I went ahead and I drew on a snowflake with the white icing, and for the Grinch cookie it, and I pre-baked everything before I kept going into details. And now I'm going to make a plate for my cookie, and I am using a K-cup, and I found that it is the best for a plate for the minis. So that is basically it.